guys, what's going on? JBH here and welcome back to another video. And today guys, we are actually at Burlington Coat Factory because you know Burlington lately they've been having Disney park products, like stuff from the actual parks, on clearance at a decently decreased price. So you know they have been doing this for quite some time now. So today we're going to see what's all new they have. Since the last time I was here, we were actually here earlier in the week, but we're gonna go check and see again. I have done a video on this on my TikTok channel where you can see some latest finds that I found on TikTok, but I also found some really good hats here lately as well, that you probably see maybe in some vlogs that I found. Like some of those Disney hats were actually hats that I did get here at Burlington. So let's go ahead and go and see what all they have today.
Alright guys, here we are, so we're gonna go ahead and go inside. So here in the purse section they have, of course, these are not brand new to me, but to show you guys here, they have nice little Minnie Mouse, like kind of little coin purses. But yeah, so originally $14.99, but they are on sale for $4.99. So yeah, quite a bit of them. Alright, so I'm in the hat section, and first thing I noticed was, look, the Christmas Disney park hats. And always look when you see this logo, that is definitely, you know, park product. Only $3.99. Of course, over here with the accessories, they have a Nightmare Before Christmas Mickey Mouse ears. I actually did already get a pair of these, but there's only been a few, so these are of course only $4.99. But yeah, I did get a pair of these. I might see if maybe my one friend might want this, so I'll see if she might want this. Now, the only thing when you come to Burlington, make sure you look everywhere, because you never know where you're going to find Disney Park product. So right here is this is a youth hat. This has been here before, but of course $3.99. This is a youth hat, and it's Buzz Lightyear. Right here is an Alice in Wonderland hat. This has been here before. Of course, it is a Walt Disney World one. And that one is, of course, that one's $4.99. Alright, here's another youth hat. Of course, this one has Mickey on it. Celebrate. That one is $3.99. And then right here's a Judy Hopps like headband. So this stuff has been here before already. So this is not new to me. But that one's $3.99 as well. And of course, we've definitely been seeing a lot of Gus's already. A lot of the Wishable Haunted Mansion plushes. They're only $6.99, but I think some of them do say $3.99. So, but yeah, but I've been seeing a lot of these. We already got this one already. So, but yeah, they still have a lot of Gus's. So there's a toy box figure of Bo Peep from the Toy Box series. Of course, I'm at the mugs now, and here is, of course, a Disneyland mug. Of course, of Haunted Mansion, and that one is $4.99. I say not park product, but it's actually, they do have a store down in Disney Springs. Here are some Avengers Havanas, or Havianas, yeah. Of course, that is, where is it? Oh, there it is, $7.99. I did get a pair of Star Wars flips down there when I was there, the park, the one year. Of course, they still have the class of 2021 socks. He's been here for a while. And of course, they are only $1.99. So yeah, if you have a graduate for the class of 2020, definitely get them these socks.
Alrighty guys, well I got everything out of Burlington now at that store. So they didn't have too much. Like I said, the only thing that was brand new was that Santa Mickey hat. So I did get one of those, and then I did get another pair of those Nightmare Before Christmas ears, because I'm going to give them to one of my friends that I work with. So I'm going to give that to her then, because she loves Nightmares just as much as me. So I'm going to give that to her then as well. So I think we might go check the other one out. I have another Burlington, so let's go ahead and go check that one out.
Alrighty guys, we're at the other one, so we're going to go check it out. So this store has a lot of those Judy Hop bands. So I like those Judy Hop bands. Here's a Sully one for only $3.99. It looks like they have a couple back there as well. In the jewelry section now, look here, they have some awesome pins. They have Olaf, and look, there's a Haunted Mansion one, and of course, you know, Jack and Sally. Then also I did see here, right here is a it's a Na'vi river necklace. Only $4.99 from Pandora. So wow, that's the first time I've ever seen something Pandora. So here's some definitely new things here. Alright, now I found some more Disney hats. This one's not brand new, but I didn't get the last time. Might get this time. Of course, has Pluto, what up, dog? Of course, that one is $4.99. And here's a princess one, which is $3.99. I think Katie has this one already. I think she has that one already. And the last time I was here, I did get this hat right here. This is a youth hat, but I don't have that big of a head, so I got this hat, and because I like it has Sorcerer Mickey on it, and it has all the artwork on it, just like the Spirit jersey I have at home, and that one is $3.99. So yeah, some cool Disney hats here. And I seen this the last time we were here. They still have it. It's a rock and roller coaster hat saying "I conquered." It's a cool hat. This is, I think, a kid's. Yes, it is. It's for only $3.99. So yeah, really cool hat. So here are Mickey light up wands. I have quite a bit of them. I might have Disney Store sells these, definitely. Some of the stuff you can find it. That probably Disney Store did have at one time as well, but of course they are only $5.99. Of course, they still have a lot of plush, from Disney as well, because Disney Store sells a lot of the plush as well. Of course, there's a Violet for only $5.99. There is Fear, only $4.99, and then of course there's still a lot of Gus's, like I said, and there's a Dash there. And then there's, I forget what her name was from Lion Guard, but yeah, so still a lot of, plush you can find for how cheap as well here. These are not brand new because I've seen these before, but yeah. Of course, over here by the pet section, they have a pet pole, and look what it is. It's Haunted Mansion for only $4.99, originally $19.99 at the parks. And they have a couple of them here. Did see these the last time we were here this past week, but so they still have a couple of them left. Of course, right here they have a big pin lander, one of the bigger ones of Nightmare for Christmas, and it is only $3.99. And originally it was $15.99. Of course, going to the checkout, they have, of course, the Disney parks. They know those reusable straws. Still have a lot of them because I think they're not the best if you like those reusable straws, but they're only $1.99. Alrighty, guys. Well, got out of Burlington now, that store. So I did get some of two of the pins. I got the Nightmare one, and of course the one Haunted Mansion one. I did get up that What Up Dog hat, and of course the lanyard as well. But yeah, so those were a couple new things I found, like the pins, and that one necklace was new in here. So not too much, even at the other store. So not too much. But like I said, you have to definitely go, like I would say, maybe like at least twice a week. So we'll check back maybe in a few weeks, see what they have, again. But you have to constantly keep coming, because I know there's shipments. They get shipments probably a lot, and there's always something new. So we'll definitely come back soon to see what they all have. All right, guys. So right now I'm in line for McDonald's. Get to see what toy we can get today with all that 50th Walt Disney World. Alright, guys, of course I got a Happy Meal. Like I said, I just love how they made this one look, especially, with the castle looking all decked out for the 50th. And of course, 50 toys for the 50th anniversary, shows you all the different types of toys they have. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and see which one we'll get. Alright, so inside, of course, is Nemo. So I actually just got Nemo, actually. Nemo was the last one I got. So let's go have another Nemo. I don't know what we'll do with it, or give it to somebody. We do have quite a few of them already. Some McDonald's, I don't know if you guys have a problem with this, but I know some McDonald's, you can just go buy just the toy instead of buying the meal. But some McDonald's, they actually want you to buy the meal. Like, of course, the last one I went to, not this one, but the one before another McDonald's, they said that I had to buy the meal, of course. But when Katie and I were in New Jersey, we actually, when they first started, when we went to Ocean City, we actually just started collecting them, and she just bought the toys just separately, a couple of them. So she got quite a few, like Mickey, she got, and I think Lumiere, like a couple of them at home. When I get home, I'll show you some of them. But yeah, so make sure you keep collecting these. Try to collect. I like to try to collect as much as I can of these for Walt Disney World's 50th. Alrighty guys, well I am back home now. Right here is all the latest stuff that I found today at my local Burlington's. Like I said, I went to 2 different stores, but didn't find too much new stuff, but mostly basically was new was this, of course, Santa Mickey hat, and of course these pins. The first time I seen those pins as well. Some of, like I said, this stuff I did find before my last trip. But I just wanted to get some stuff today that I didn't get maybe last time. So that's my latest Burlington finds. Hopefully we'll go soon. Like I said, I would recommend going like frequently, because you never know what you might find. Like there are some stuff that me and Kate are still looking for that we have found, you know, on TikTok. Definitely look on TikTok, because I know TikTok definitely is good to find some nice sources of some nice stuff. Like I said, I did a TikTok on a Burlington video, so you can check that video out. When I went on that trip, I found a lot of good stuff as well. Alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video today of me going to my local Burlington, checking everything out, and of course stopping just to see what Walt Disney World 50th anniversary toy you can get at McDonald's. So definitely keep going to McDonald's, try to collect all the toys that you can have. You can probably see some of them are behind me, which ones, you know, that we have found. Like right there is a Lumiere one, I think, down there. I see Pua as well. Of course, we have Donald, Mickey, and Olaf are down there, and of course we got Nemo as well. But I get again another Nemo. But yeah, you have to definitely keep checking on them as well. And of course, also, like I said, I did get complimented like about 2-3 times a day on my shirt that I am wearing today. So I'm wearing this Nightmare Before Christmas. It's kind of like it's from Box Lunch, so it's kind of like a spirit jersey, and then on the back, it does say, you know, of course, says Halloween Town on the back. So got complimented quite a few today for this, wearing this today. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till then, guys, I'm JBH. Until the next adventure, see you guys real soon.